Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Google Classroom app, a powerful tool for students and teachers to manage classes, assignments, and communication. Let's get started. Google Classroom is a free app by Google that helps teachers and students connect online. Teachers can create virtual classrooms, share assignments, quizzes, and announcements, while students can submit work and get feedback all in one place. Now to get started, you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, search Google Classroom on your search bar at the top of your page, then tap on that and then tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, sign in with your Google account, usually your school mail. Once signed in, you'll see your class dashboard. On the home screen, tap the plus icon at the top, at the bottom right here, so tap on that, then select on join class right here, then enter the class code provided by your teacher. Now you'll see the class in the dashboard. Then inside the class, you'll see three main tabs: stream, classwork, and people, announcements and updates from your teacher, assignments, quizzes, and study material, list of classmates and your teacher. To submit assignments, go to the classwork tab, tap on an assignment, read instructions, then attach your work like a file, Google Doc, or even a picture. Tap turn in to submit. You can also see your teacher's feedback and grades here. Teachers can tap the plus icon and select create class, fill in the class name, subject, and section, share the class code with students so that they can join, post assignments, quizzes, or announcements in the classwork tab. Some pro tips: turn on notifications so you never miss a deadline. Use Google Drive integration for storing assignments, and parents can also get email summaries of student progress. And that is how you can use the Google Classroom app step by step. It is simple, organized, and makes learning easier for both teachers and students. I hope this video helped you out. Like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.